So I have never flown a mini drone quite like this one before, and it's super fun. Like, it was just so much fun to fiddle around with this thing. There are a couple caveats before I show you actually flying. The battery does not last very long at all, like maybe 2 or 3 minutes at the most. And actually, I've been flying this more than a few minutes, so I'm not sure what the battery life is, but it's more than 2 or 3 minutes. I've been flying it for probably at least 5 right now. My guess would be more like it has a battery life of maybe 8 to 13 minutes for these kinds of drones. So just keep that in mind. Keep your expectations low as far as the battery goes. And the battery is also very difficult to take out, and it only charges by taking it out. So the way that you take it out is you hold this button. Well, it's not really a button, but you push on this little spot there while pulling it out. Like I said, it's not the easiest to get out, so just keep that in mind also. The way that you charge it is that you use the charger that it comes with and you plug it in there and it charges up via USB-C. So those are the only 2 caveats that I have. Goes in this way. Just slides in there like that. Here is the remote that you're going to use with it. The remote just turns on by the push of that button there, and this thing turns on by holding that button there. So I'm going to take this thing off and see how we can fly this thing. You might need to make sure it's paired. Sometimes doing those kinds of things. So up, down, and then like that kind of calibrates it. So, okay, so here we go. Let's one button to take off. Fun. Easy to control. It's quite responsive as well. There are different speeds, so we can put it in faster and it'll go a little bit faster. If you're used to flying drones, it should be fairly easy to control. You know, this is your altitude and rotation, and then this one controls which direction it's going. And then the cool thing about this one is that it has a couple extra things to do. If I bring this up just a little bit, if I push this controller in, it flips that thing 90 degrees, which is kind of fun. If I push this one in, it spins that thing. Like I said, it's a little bit different. A little fun. And then you've got like a flying orb thing. Quite fun. So yeah, a little bit different. I think fun. If you're used to flying drones or these kinds of things, or even if you're not, honestly, it's a fun one to fiddle around with. It has a cool lighting effect as well. So yeah, hope that helps. It is a fun mini drone.